If you're flying the ABZ Innovation L30 V2, your battery management strategy is just as important as your spray settings or flight planning. So in this video, we're breaking down the ABZ Smart Charger 3000 and the Smart Battery 30, how they work, how to properly manage them, and how to maximize performance in the field. Let's start out with the Smart Charger 3000. This charger can handle 4 batteries at once, which is critical when you're running continuous spray operations. ABZ recommends bringing 4 batteries to the field, 1 in the air, 1 cooling down, and 2 actively charging. That rotation keeps your workflow efficient and protects battery health. The charger has 3 charging modes. Slow mode is ideal for overnight charging. It reduces stress on the cells and helps preserve long-term battery health. Normal mode is the default for most operations. It balances speed and longevity so you're ready to fly without excessive downtime. Fast mode is designed for field operations. You can get a battery charged in as little as 15 minutes. Despite the speed, it's engineered to avoid significant degradation when used properly. When you're charging, you'll notice that this charger is loud. It's because it uses powerful internal cooling fans, pulling air in through the front and out the exhaust in the back. Make sure both areas are completely unobstructed so the unit can regulate temperature properly. The LED display provides real-time diagnostics, including charging status and individual cell voltage. That cell level visibility is important for monitoring battery health and identifying imbalances early. And physically, you can tell this is tough. The rugged metal housing is clearly designed for most outdoor conditions. Now let's talk about the power source itself. The Smart Battery 30 is a 30,000 mAh LiPo smart battery weighing just under 22 pounds. These are high-capacity, high-discharge packs engineered specifically for agricultural load demands. Flight time will vary depending on your payload, with around 17.5 minutes with no payload and about 9 minutes when fully loaded. These batteries are also rated up to 1,000 charge cycles, assuming proper management. They feature intelligent battery management technology, which helps prevent overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. That built-in BMS is critical for both safety and longevity. And in order to use this, we're going to take this charging cable, and it's going to be connected to the battery right below here. There's only one way for it to connect, so you can't really get it wrong. Now, there isn't any click for that, so it's not going to fall out. It is pretty secure. And now if we move this battery, it's a little bit on the heavy side, it's 22 pounds. And next we're going to connect it to the charger just through one of these ports here on the side. We do have 4 options, so we're just going to place it in this first one. And it is fairly snug, so make sure you get it all the way in there. But once it's in, it's not going anywhere. It is very secure. And in order to turn the charger on, we're just going to press this button right up front. And the first thing, you'll hear the fans blowing. And I'm actually getting an error code, so you might run into this. So this AC outlet that I'm plugged into here in our studio is actually underpowered. So I'm going to plug it into another outlet on the other side of the studio, which should have enough power. All right, we're back on the other side of the studio. So it's just going to turn on the charger again. Now we can see that it is in charging mode. We can also see that the battery is nearly full. And also, the fans are working hard and they are doing a good job at keeping the unit cool. On the LED display, we'll get all the voltage levels of each cell. You want to make sure they're fairly close. And up top, we see that the charger is idle at the moment. And to go into storage mode, you just hold the storage button down. It'll beep a few times and the top display will say store. So that'll bring the battery percentage down to about 60%. So if you're not using the batteries for a while, that'll be a good idea to do just to maintain the battery life. To maximize your battery life, where you store it matters. So never store it below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and ideal storage temperatures are between 59 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, make sure to keep humidity below 60%. In the field, avoid leaving the batteries in direct sunlight, especially between flights. Heat accelerates degradation and reduces available discharge performance. Also remember, battery discharge is not linear, so monitor voltage during operations and avoid deep discharge under load. When you combine the Smart Charger 3000 with a disciplined 4-battery rotation strategy, you create a predictable, high-efficiency power system for your L30 V2. That's how you maximize flight time and protect your investment long-term. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.